All right, in this section, we're going to learn how to plot points, but before we do, let's do a little bit of review. First of all, don't forget that this axis is your x-axis, and the vertical axis is your y-axis. The point in the middle is 0, 0. That's called the origin. When we count quadrants, we start with 1 here, and then we go counterclockwise. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, if you look at your x-axis, the negative numbers go to the left. The positive numbers go to the right. If you look at your y-axis, the positives are up, the negative numbers are down. So let's look at an ordered pair. Remember, with an ordered pair, the first is your x and the second is your y. Now the x numbers, those tell you to go right or left, okay? If the number is negative, you go left. If the number is positive, you go right. The y values tell you if you are going up or down. If it is positive, you are going up. If it is negative, you are going down. And you don't put your point on the graph until you've done both. For example, this is -5 for x, +3 for y. Okay, so I'm going to do my x first. Negative means I go left 5. +3 for y means I go up 3, and then I put my dot. Let's look at the next one. This is my x, this is my y. X is +3, I go right 3. Y is -5, which means I go down 5, and then I put my dot. So in this first example, we're going to plot some points on the coordinate system, the rectangular coordinate system. So first, let's do point A. It is -3, 5. Okay, so this is my x, this is my y. Means I'm going to go left 3, then up 5. So left 3, up 5, put a dot. On the next one, x is +2, y is -4. So I go right 2 for my +2, and then down 4 for my y, and I put a dot. On the next one, x is 5, +5, so I'm going right 5. Y is 0, so I'm not going up or down. I just go 5, and I put a dot. On D, x is -5, so I'm going left 5. Y is -3, so I'm going down 3. So left 5, down 3, put a dot. For the next one, x is 0, so I'm not going right or left. Y is a +4, so that means I go up 4, and I put a dot. We have one more. X is 0, y is 0, so I don't go anywhere. I stay in the middle and put a dot at the origin.